Well, hello everyone. How are we all doing today? Here is absolutely miserable. We have weather alerts, we have high winds, heavy rains, it's freezing cold, it's miserable. I want Chinese food of all the days. But the last time I ordered it, the only place around here that can deliver, especially on a day like today, is garbage. They sent me chicken nuggets. I can do that myself. And that's where I came up with the idea. Over the next few videos, I'm going to make some of my own favorite Cantonese chicken dishes that I would normally order for a lot cheaper than they will send them to me. I went out, I spent roughly 20 bucks, and my goal is to make 4 dinners over the next few videos, showing you just how simple some of your favorites can be. Things like lemon chicken, orange chicken, pineapple chicken, and of course General Tao chicken. But today we're going to start off with something simple, something sweet, little spice just for a change, and make some homemade pineapple chicken. But we're going to do this the quick and easy way. It's still going to taste great. It's still going to make you think you've ordered from your favorite place, but you're going to have it at home and a lot faster than they can get to you. So instead of me talking, let's get in the kitchen and let's get cooking. Because the faster we cook, the faster I can get back to my movie. I'll see you all in a few minutes. Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to the kitchen. Behind me I've got some of those chicken pieces cooking in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven or you can deep fry them however you want. Like I said, I'm doing this quick and easy, so I'm using some prepared chicken chunk pieces. They're basically like chicken nuggets, except it's real chicken and it's been floured, not with breadcrumbs. It'll be a little bit more authentic to what we're doing. If what we're doing is anything near authentic. Like I said, we're going to do a real quick and easy pineapple chicken. So, of course, we need our chicken, which is cooking. We need our pineapple. Like I said, this is on the quick. So, I've got some Asian-style vegetables. So, this is going to give me some snow peas, some carrots, some of those little baby corn, a little bit of everything, some ginger in there. We need a little bit of cornstarch with some water, and finally just some sesame seeds to top it all off with. So pineapple chicken is just one of those simple things that everyone thinks is so hard, and honestly it is not. The only thing I'm going to do different, because I like that sweet heat, is we're going to add some crushed chilies just to give it a little touch. So while we're talking, I'm getting my pot here warmed up. We have everything we need. Very simple. A lot of this you probably already have at home. You might already have the nuggets. The vegetables are optional. We also have some rice that's in the microwave. It's just super quick and easy. Cornstarch you might have. The sesame seeds are more of a garnish. So let's do some real quick cooking here. My nuggets have about 15 minutes to go. We're going to be ready with all this before that is. So I am going to quickly swap my camera over and let's show you what we do. So we have our pot here. Like I say, this is super easy. We are going to add the pineapple juice to start off with. And because this is more of a glaze than a sauce. It's not going to take a ton of anything. We're going to add our chili flakes, give it a little bit of color, and at the same time, a nice little spice. We're then going to add just a handful of our veggies. I think that should be about good. Just trying to see all what's in here. So already this is looking nice and colorful. Just off the camera here, while that is simmering away, I've got a couple of tablespoons of water, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just mixing that up. What this is going to do is just help bring everything together to thicken it, make it super quick and easy. But we want this to heat up a bit first. So as soon as we see a few little bubbles, it won't take long. We're working with some new cookware here. So we're just going to let this cook for a few minutes. Enjoy those beautiful little colors. We'll add the pineapple at the end because we don't want it to get all too soft and mushy. So we're all set. We have our slurry of the cornstarch. We have our glaze started. We have our pineapple ready. How hard was this? In just a few minutes, we'll get that rice going out of the microwave. I said we just want to bring all this together to a quick simmer. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit more chili to this. Just because I want that little bit of extra heat. We don't really need any salt because there's plenty of salt already in those chicken nuggets. Like I said, once we see a little bit of bubbling in here, we're all good. I'm already seeing a few little wisps of steam, so we're in good shape. The longest part about this whole dish is actually waiting for the chicken nuggets to cook. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of our glaze, of our cornstarch slurry. And yeah, it looks milky, but as that heats up, it's going to clear out. And you'll see it start to thicken this fairly quickly. If you think you've added too much cornstarch, just add a bit more water, and if it's not thick enough, add a little bit more of the cornstarch. Okay, as you saw, just added a little bit more of that cornstarch because I wasn't happy with how thick it was. But because we added it right to the liquid, we want to give it a really good stir. Make sure we don't get any lumps in there. I really should have dissolved that in water first, but you can see now how thickened that is. And give it a little taste for seasoning. Pineapple taste is nice and strong. Now, I'm just gonna add some of that pineapple. Oh, the heat of the chilies is starting to come through there. Turn the heat on this down a bit. Our glaze now is ready. Now we have, just off camera here, you'll see in a second, we've got some of that gorgeous, those chicken nuggets, and we're just going to cut them to bite-sized pieces. So some of them will cut in half. Our rice is now ready. And really all we're doing is we're giving these a little coat. They're all cooked. They don't need any more cooking. But we want to get that glaze on there. Just like when you're at your local place. Just give those a quick little stir. Make sure they're all nice and coated and glossy. Let them swim around in there for a second. Turn the heat off on that, and believe it or not, we are done. Let's spin the camera around. You can see we've got our nice little bowl of rice there. I'm going to use our tongs again because they're right there. We're just going to lay some of this chicken down. You can see how beautiful and shiny that is from the glaze. How quick and simple that was. I just used, like I said, a real quick rice. You could use jasmine, you can use basmati, use just a standard long grain white rice. It's up to you. I'm just trying to get some of these veggies out that we put in there. And a bit of that sauce. But look at that. We've got our pineapple, we have everything. Now we're just going to give it a little garnish with some sesame seeds. And we are done. And here we are. Just look at that. I'm sorry, no Chinese restaurant's going to get you food that fast, that hot. Nice crunchy vegetables. The taste of the pineapple comes through. Of course, we have our chicken to eat. Wow, hot. Really, really good. Great flavors. Just cleaning off my knives. Great flavors. The pineapple really comes through, of course.
It is glass. I thought it was.
We got that glaze. That's just sticking to everything. And very little rice. Very hot. But in the time it took just to make nuggets, you made this great pineapple chicken dish. I really, really hope you try this out. So, until next time, just remember, faster than you can pick up a phone or get on Uber Eats, you can make it yourself and make it even better. So, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. And until next time, bye.